We have a warning for you tonight from our state's top health official. She says the chances of a measles outbreak this year is high because more parents are choosing not to vaccinate their children for personal or religious reasons. Our Maria Hechanova joining us live outside a school in Phoenix tonight. And Maria, how are they tracking all of this information?
Through these vaccine exemption forms, the state says more and more parents are turning them in. And with more than 1 million kids in our Arizona schools each year, that's a concern for some parents.
Terrifying.
This Phoenix dad says he panicked after his 2-year-old daughter went to get her routine vaccine.
Yeah, it was right after. We left the hospital for our doctor's checkup, and hours later she was like non-responsive. She was running the high fever and she wasn't responding to.
She's okay now, but even with that health scare,
she still gets her shots. She still gets, my kids still get their required shots every year.
He understands why some parents may not want to.
It should definitely be a parent's choice.
Today, the state's top health official, Dr. Kara Christ, warns filling out one of these vaccine exemption forms could be a dangerous decision.
Our recommendation in public health is to get vaccinated. Vaccines are safe and they're effective.
She says there's been a steady increase over the last 3 years in the number of kids who are not vaccinated for personal or religious reasons.
The trend is very concerning.
She warns right now 60% of all Arizona counties, shown here in red, are at risk of a measles outbreak.
With measles, you can end up getting complications such as pneumonia or encephalitis, swelling of the brain, and even death. It's highly infectious, so 9 out of 10 unimmunized people will come down with measles if exposed.
Right now, the state says nearly 5% of kindergartners could get sick, while some parents are pushing back, claiming the vaccines can cause other serious health issues. Others are choosing to vaccinate.
My health is very serious, and my kids is too, and I don't need them getting sick and bringing it home.
And according to state health officials, kids in private schools and charter schools are more likely to not have their vaccines because their parents' personal beliefs. Reporting live in Phoenix, Maria Hechanova for Arizona's Family.